Hi friends, this is Ramana. Today I will show demo on how to check the file in a particular folder using SSIS. So script task is the task that will perform to search the file in a particular folder. So by writing some code like either with Visual Basic or C#.NET, we can easily identify to check where the file really exists in the folder. So here I am using the script task and data flow task as usual. It is using for ETL operation, loading data from text to data. And also in this package, we need to create two variables for doing this task. So without wasting time, let's jump into the demo. So this is my first input source, the text document. It contains around 10 records. I want to load all this data into this table. Currently, the data there is no data in this table. So it is this file is located in this folder. So how can we create the variables and use the script task to check whether the file exists or not in this demo. This is my new package. Before dragging the script task into the control flow pane, I want to create two variables here. One is folder path, source path, whatever it may be. Data type is string, and the value here is this is the value. It contains both folder and file. And I'm taking the another variable. It is the does file really exist? Does file exist? And this type is the data type is the integer. Time being, I'm setting the value as 0. Now we will drag the script task into the control pane. Double click to configure. It is very easy to configure. Scripting language here, script task allows here Visual Basic or C#. I am taking the C#.NET. Read only variables, that is what we are created user variable. First is folder path. It's a read only variable. It will take the path from this variable, and right variable here is does file exist or not, is 1 or 0, and I click the editing script. It will take some time to open the script. Yes, it is opened here. Now I am server system.io in. So why this is the system.io is useful for dealing in the folders and files and using these functions. You need to mention namespace as system.io and go to the public void menu. Here you need to write the code. First string what is the file path is equal to dts dot variables, and in the square braces this you need to provide the read-only variable and convert it to value dot to string semicolon. Second line here if file exists, if file dot exists file path, if the file exists in this variable, if the file exists, this variable means we already created one variable. This value is stored in this variable. File exists in this variable. Then dts that variables we already created one other variable is equal to 1. In between you need to curly braces here and with semicolon. So these are the two lines you need to write. To pass the values from the variables, we need to change this one. If it does file exists, does file exists. Save this, close it, okay, and drag the data flow task. Here we need to write some expression. Precedence constraints. You need to write some expression for loading the file. We already take one variable, does file exist. Does file exist is 1, then only it will allow to the data flow task validate successfully. If this fail, data flow task will not run. It pass only after checking the first condition that are wrote in the precedence constraints. Does file exist is equal to 1 only. If this condition is satisfied only, it will move to the data flow task. So after that, this is you all know it's a regular task. My source document is text file. I need to take here flat file source, configure, double click, new, browse. My folder is cricket, columns and everything is same. Okay, I need to manual map. and my destination here is OLEDB destination because I want to load into the tables, taking the table as cricket mappings. So everything is set. Now if you want to run the package, it will check the conditions first here, precedence expression condition. Only when it is satisfied only the file will move to data flow task. I am running the package and make sure that there is no data in the database table. See, data is run successfully and check the database. Yeah, all 15 records are loaded. Now I am truncating the table. Why I am truncating it? I am changing the text file name here. Then we will check whether it is run or not. I am changing the text file cricket to cricket1 and I am trying to run the package. It fails. It makes sense also. So why it failed? In scripters we already provided the full path variable as one cricket.txt. If we change the cricket1.txt, then it will execute. So that's why it failed. And one more thing, if the present constraint is failed, then there is one task is the send-mail task. If the present constraint fail, it will connect to this send-mail tag, and the condition will fail. If the condition will fail, in script task is fail, then it will go to send-mail test, and in the send-mail test, you need to configure a SMTP connection and what are the stakeholders, all the holders. After why this reason for failure of this package, all these things are sent to the respective stakeholders by using the send method. So this is how if the file exists or not by using the script task by writing the uh, C#.NET code. We can easily identify the whether the file exists or not. If the file exists or not, it will go to the database and the data flow task and into the data flow database tables. So this is how we need to write the script task for checking the file. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.